Sir, first I would like to take the question of Dr. Dr. Ifat Jamal. Can we include retrospective studies? This is the query. Would Parag sir be able to take this question?
Yes, surely we can do retrospective studies for ICMR. A lot of students take up retrospective studies, and retrospectives fits perfectly well for student research. It's completely legitimate. The only thing that you should be taking care would be the research topic that you pursue should be meaningful. Right? It should not be just it's convenient to take retrospective samples. So we have taken that. So if it's purposeful, surely retrospective studies are perfectly fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Dr. Rupali Gaut has asked, uh, sir, I have a query about in proposal submission section, and that is what is the case study form and how to make it for a clinical study. Dr. Anirban sir, will you be able to answer this?
Yes, the case study form means whichever data you are going to collect, you need to frame a study form. Like if you need to get some kind of background information like your age, gender, occupation, your education, your monthly income, like that. So you need to frame a interviewing questions, or that can be called as a case study form. You need to ask the, that is your study participant, you need to ask the question, ask these topics, and you get the answers, and you need to fill this case study form. Case study form will give you the basic data for the for your study. And there are two things, two separate things. There are some questionnaire and there is some case study form. Questionnaire means there can be a open-ended or close-ended, or there can be a something which is already been used in some other kind of validated uh, study questionnaire. So in this questionnaire, for some kind of WHO questionnaire, there will be some kind of psychiatric measurement questionnaires. So in these questionnaires, you will be given some questions regarding your whatever you're going to take, whatever you're going to analyze, whatever you're going to uh, find out. So this is separate thing. This is the questionnaire. In your case study form, you need to give the basic details like demographic, socio-demographic factors, your background characteristics, along with the factors related to your study. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, we'll take the last question from Dr. Vishaka. My STS project was selected for ICMR STS 2020 and I have submitted my project in November 2021. Can I participate this year as well?
Can I take this one?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
So yes, you can participate with a new research question.
Okay,
Yes,
so
the example is the speaker itself. So I just want to mention you that don't copy your research study or try to change the topic or try to change your guide. The those who are actually scrutinize these things, they will just check these things. That is your name, your guide name, whether they are matching or not, whether the topics are almost in the similar form or not. Otherwise, this will not create any harm, any kind of problem.
okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.